We had a discussion about how to developing the web APIs by using the third-party tools. How to install Django. After that, how to add URLs into project level. Serialization and deserialization. What is the meaning of serialization means? We have to converted one employee object to dictionary, that is called a serialization. Because of once it is available dictionary, converting to JSON is very easy. This is the steps we have to follow. We created employee serializer class, get the object, convert it to dictionary. This dictionary to JSON means JSON renderer class is there. Render is the function. This is the JSON format. Same deserialization we are doing. Use case now. Already inserted some data into here. CD, REST API, 6th November CD, with REST C1, py manage.py, run server. So within the backend database, some data is available there. Go to the admin panel. Yes, some 3 employees are there. I want to get a record means up to now we know simple process. Go to the view, objects.all, print that all things completed. But now my application is this Django application I want to connect it with my partner application is Python. From the Python application, I want to connect it to Django and read that data, how it is possible. Because normal thing already we done completed. Reading data from the tables, display to the console, filtering, filtering, all are done. Now Python application means I have to write a Python file. In the last class we discussed already Python file. Same. In the without REST law, already I implemented one file test. Same process. Base URL, endpoint, request module, get. I think just time read it printed in the console. I wanted multiple records, single records. Same. With REST also, take one Python file. Right click, new file, test.py. Here I have to write the logic. From there, until network ಇದೆ కదా. Voice is breaking. So now, by using this test.py, I want to connect it to the Django application. I want to read that one. So how to read this one? Present endpoint and URLs are not available there. Okay. So first create one class. That one also already we discussed without REST in the test app views low. Last style is going class CBV, same story I'm using, but first you have to create one endpoint. After that, by using the endpoint, by using the test.py, I want to read the data. Present test.py file is empty. Present we don't have any view. Now my requirement is test is the responsible to send request to my file. Which file? View file. You want single record, all records. Based on that, I will implemented this view. With REST C1 lo, this view, I will write it. How many records you can require? One, all. You will send request from your test.py. I will send the data. That is the concept now. So close all this. Come to our present test.py file, Python file. So in this one, import request, base URL and endpoint. Common base URL is the endpoint. I will give API. I will implement the endpoint. These two are there. I want to get the single record of multiple records. Take one function, get underscore resource of ID equal to, by default I can provided none. So def is a one function, not a method. Within the function, one argument is their ID. That is which type of argument? Also function, how many types of arguments are there? Positional keyword like that. Which type of argument? Within the function, if I declare, that is called as default argument, because tomorrow observe pass. Okay, sir, you are calling get resource. I'm not passing anything. What is the ID value? None. If I'm passing one, then ID value 1. We are discussing default arguments. If we're not passing anything, ID will become, if we're passing one. Ante, if I want first record, then I need to pass 1. Now all I can require, I don't want pass anything, then ID will become none. Default argument. So data equal to open close curly brace. What is the type of data? Dictionary. Because open curly brace, it is a dictionary. If ID is not none, ante you are passing some ID, so update your dictionary. Key value pairs ID colon ID. That is the dictionary updated. Because if you are not passing anything, if you are calling, this total thing is not executed. Dictionary will become empty. If you are passing 1, ID will become 1. ID is not none satisfied. Your empty dictionary will updated with 1. That is the meaning of that get resource. Now come to the function. Previous class I am written a response equal to module name. Reading purpose, what is the method? Get method base URL plus what I want to provide endpoint comma data equal to, there is one module is there. What is the module name? JSON module, because JSON dot, what is the function? Dumps of what I'm passing? Data. What is data? Dictionary. What is the meaning of JSON dot dumps? Dictionary converted to JSON. Then only this data will be sent to Django. Once Django send the data, that is also JSON. Print the response code. What is the response codes? I will tell. Resp dot status code. There are multiple status codes are there. Print resp dot JSON. This is the code. Now, if I'm not passing anything, I am asking to the Django, send all the records. How many are there? Total records. If you send 1, then automatically what happened is there. Calling the function, ID will become 1. The data is updated. What is this? Converted JSON. This is JSON will be goes to view function. Then I am reading only 1 record. This total logic will write into views.py file. So first to take this one. So my partner application is Python file. By using Python file, I want to read the data from there. So test.py code. This is the code. So whenever request dot get base URL endpoint, I will mention API. Then request goes to there. I'm sending which data? JSON data. Because data is the dictionary. Either two options, empty dictionary or else with ID converted to JSON. This JSON will be goes to the views. So now the process is first to convert the JSON to dictionary. Tarvata dictionary to read the data, particular ID. Once you read the data, it is complex type. Complex data type 2, you can convert to Python dictionary. Convert to JSON, send, serialization process. Because if a dictionary lent data is not there, ID na, none na. If ID is available, one record. If it is not there, all records I want. View is the responsible to send the, based on calling get resource, view will send the records. So my records are database records objects. Python not able to understand. So once I'm reading data, this complex object, these are all the objects. First to convert this one to which format? Python dictionary. This is called as serialization. After that, convert this one to JSON. Send to test.py file. Then Python file can understand. This total logic we have to write into views.py. సో వ్యూస్లో టేక్ వన్ క్లాస్ బేస్డ్ వ్యూ. ఇదిగోండి లాస్ట్ వితౌట్ రెస్ట్లో చెప్పాను కదా, వితౌట్ రెస్ట్ వ్యూస్ సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. ఇదిగో క్లాస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్ క్లాస్? వ్యూ క్లాస్. విచ్ మెథడ్ వీఆర్ ఓవర్ రైడింగ్? గెట్ మెథడ్. ఇక్కడంటే ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ డేట్, ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద కోడ్. సో ద వ్యూస్ డాట్ పీవై with rest one is it stf settings views. Now take the class, any class. I implemented CRUD operation, employee CRUD CBV. What is the parent class? View. That view is available where? From Django dot views dot dot generic import. Sir, what is the parent class? View. This parent class will take care about everything. రీడింగ్ పర్పస్ కాబట్టి గెట్, ఇన్సర్ట్ అయితే పోస్ట్, ఇంక 4 మెథడ్స్ యూఆర్ యూజింగ్ గెట్, పోస్ట్, పుట్ అండ్ డిలీట్. డెఫ్ గెట్ ఈస్ ద మెథడ్. మెథడ్ కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ సెల్ఫ్, సెకండ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ రిక్వెస్ట్, థర్డ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆర్గ్స్, ఫోర్త్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ TW args. Last 2 arguments are optional. Self request mandatory. Next 2 are optional. Maybe tomorrow if you're passing any variable length arguments, it will take care. If you pass keyword argument, then stored into this argument. Now, search only. I'm sending get resource. Okay. Once I'm sending request to which method? Get method, this one, data I'm passing. How to read this data means request dot body. Request dot body. We are receiving one data. What is the data? JSON data. Because it is the dictionary I converted and send to the my partner application to the get method. Then it is accessing this method. Request.body means the request came from the test.py stored into JSON data. You have to tell how to convert this JSON data to Python dictionary. JSON to Python, back process. Yesterday I'm telling IO module is there. ఇదిగోండి ఫస్ట్ JSON data ni converted to stream, this one to JSON parser, then it will converted to Python dictionary. From the dictionary you can ask the key. So here, sir, ikkada all are main imports only. Cut this. Import. What is the module name? IO. So idigondi yesterday steps, now I am implementing idigondi. IO lo bytes IO is the class, JSON data I am passing stream. This is stream given to parser, it is converted Python dictionary. This is Python dictionary. But this JSON parser is available in from REST underscore framework. Parsers, import, JSON parser. I'm given to the Python dictionary. Once a dictionary is there, how to read the data? Pdata dot, what is the meaning of get command? I'm asking ID. If the dictionary ID is available, I will get the ID. If ID is not there, I'm passing value as a none. In the dictionary, how get command is working? For example, if I'm passing one, dictionary one is there, I'm getting one. If I'm not passing anything, dictionary is empty. The return value, none. If I'm not using get command, then you are getting error. Program will be terminated. That's why your voice is coming screen passed. Net రావట్లేదండి ఈరోజు. వస్తుందా? ఓకే సార్. నౌ సో వన్స్ I converted this one, ID is available there. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, if ID is not none, అంటే you are getting one ID, read the data. Employee dot, how to read the data? Objects dot ID, get kada, get command, get of ID equals to ID. Because I'm sending one record, that is I'm passing. Where is this employee? From request, okay. From test app dot models import. What is the class name? Employee. Sir, once I'm getting the one object, it is the complex data type. This complex data type I want to convert it to Python dictionary. After that JSON send to test. Now come to yesterday. How to convert Python complex data type to Python data type? What we have to do? First example. One single employee am taken, serializer equal to employee serializer dot emp. After that, this data. It is converted to JSON. Send it to test file. So this emp passing to employee serializer. Employee serializer class. So it is not there, but you have to go with from test app dot serializers import employee serializer. So this class will take care about converting your employee to pass emp object stored into one variable serializer. This is serializer. What is the variable? Data. This one passed to which one? JSON renderer you can pass. It converted JSON data. So import the statement. This is serializer you want to pass to this one JSON renderer. Same yesterday steps we are pasted. E కాదు కదా serializer only. Serializer data. Now JSON data is ready. Return this. Return. I want to take HTTP response. Not there. From Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Now use that HTTP response. Inside what can I pass? JSON data, comma. Content, one keyword argument is there. Content type equal to application by JSON. I will set the status code. What is this? Status code equal to 200. Sir, now observe this one. First one request dot body. It is coming from the test.py code. This dictionary is coming. Once the dictionary is coming, this dictionary can convert it to Python data. I am checking that if ID is available, get the ID. If ID is not available, none. If ID is not none, I am passing one value. I am getting that employee object emp, passing to employee serializer, converted to Python dictionary. From there to, I want to convert JSON, send it to file. Suppose it ID equal to none. This total code is not executed. I have to read all records. QS equal to employee dot objects dot all. How to send all records into this one? As I am telling you how to perform say for QS. All records I am reading. After that, employee serializer QS dot query set convert to the JSON data. Same as the explanation process and now implementing QS many, give the variable serializer. Now, this is serializer you can give to JSON renderer. Serializer. Return this response. So if you are passing ID, then one record is converted, send it to. If not passing ID, all records we are passing. Now check this. Save this. This is class based view. Then one URL is required. Go to the URLs. First time it is not able to understand. Try to practice. Then you will get it. API. Views dot. What is the class name? Employee courtesy dot as underscore view. From test app import views. Check the server. Inval syntax ekkada perhaps comma పోయిందంట ఇక్కడ. Save this. Check the server. Server is started. Take one more new command prompt because I am sending request from partner application, not browser. If we send a browser, you will get the data. That is regular story. ఇదిగోండి. Copy this one. Send it to here. If you go with API, request is not defined. అక్కడ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎస్ అని ఇవ్వాలి. So JSON parser eval one column. Okay, I will resolve this. But from the Python application, I want to send the data. Okay. Run the server. Go to this cd dot d drive cd REST API 6th November cd with REST class 1 py test.py JSON and expecting value one column. Go to the server. Raise parse error JSON parser percentage SSTR expected. Test.py JSON API. Why it is accepting string? అసలు ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకుందాం. ఇంకోండి. If I am not given anything, it is working. Employee number, first employee, second employee, third employee, we are getting it because in the partner application I am sending request. If I am not given anything, data is empty. Go to the views. Now the request.body empty dictionary converted to string the JSON data and it is Python dictionary. I am get the value nothing, none. It is not executed. Reading all employees converted to the dictionary JSON data forwarded. మరి if I am passing value ఒక రికార్డ్ రావాలి. ID equal to none. ID will be provided there. ఒక రికార్డ్ రావాలి యాక్చువల్ కేమ్ ఇంకోండి. If I am given single value, that record is coming. If I am given third, it is getting the third record. That is the from the partner application how to read the data to. ఇది partner application code. This is the views.py code. ఇది ఇవన్నీ imports, ఇవి statement. ఇది story of API. ఇందులో I'm not using predefined classes. If I'm using predefined classes, just 1-2 lines only. This much code is not required. What is that status code 200? I will show some status codes. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This type of status codes are there. 200 means success. Once program execute, I'm getting a value. That's why I'm getting 200 success code. Remaining, what is that? I will explain. So code is some lengthy code, but you have to try to write part by part slowly. You will get it. Next, I will shortcut this code just to 2 lines. I will write instead of these many lines. There is view set class is there. Once I imported just 2 lines, bus. Yeah, requested dot body is the predefined. It is reading data from the partner application. Predefined that is. Whenever I'm using this, it is reading data from the test.py file. So it is you get the data. Next, I want to insert data by using test.py. How to insert? Next, post method. Done, completed. చూడండి ఇక్కడ status code y am given 200 means success code. Whenever you are running Django program, any program, whenever I can see the errors, I see the code. By using that, we can get idea 300, 400, 500, 100, 200. 200 means success. 300 means redirectional URL. 400 we did some mistake. 500 server side mistake. Based on that status code, we will tell where the problem is there. 300 redirectional URL is changed. Then 300 status code we are getting. Only whatever codes are there, HTTP response codes, status codes. Maximum these 5 codes are there. 100 to 199 information. Ante sometimes whenever you are doing payment, it is giving one message, don't refresh again. Okay, you have to wait until complete your transaction. Informational messages if you want provide 100 to 199. Success 200 to 299. Redirectional means suppose previously google.co.in is there. Now I changed the URL, then 300 status codes. You did some mistake, client side error, 400 to 499. Suppose I'm looking for some data. I'm looking for fourth record in the database, but three records only available. I'm getting 500 code. So based on these codes, you have to decide. We're going first one, informational. We're going to switching to protocol. Processing, please wait. Like that. 200 success code. We're going to get command ki put to post ki we are getting. 201. Once inserted record successful post method. Updated put method 201. 202. Your request accepted. Ilaga we have to provide status code. Redirection message. If the URL is changes, yesterday we are getting 301 moved permanently, found, not modified. 400 means you did mistake, bad request, unauthorized, payment required, forbidden. These are all the not found. For example, I want to provide naresheti.in. Naresheti undi. So I am getting it. Indulo I can provide that slash Sunny I am given. What is that Sunny URL pattern? With that URL ledu. So immediately we are getting my mistake. So we are getting as a Sunny undi. Abbo. సరే ఏబిసిడి ఏమన్నాడు 404 అంటే మై మిస్టేక్ ఐ డిడ్ మిస్టేక్ 404 అదే సర్వర్ సైడ్ మిస్టేక్ ఈస్ దేర్ దెన్ 500 ఎర్రర్స్ అలా యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిసైడెడ్ ఎర్రర్స్ ఇదిగోండి మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా డీజంగ్ సార్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఎనీ ఎర్రర్ సీ ద స్టేటస్ కోడ్ దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిసైడ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద సర్వర్ సైడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ internal server error, not implemented, bad gateways, service not available, gateway timeout, HTTP version not supported, ilaga insufficient storage. ఇవి స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ టోటల్గా ఈ 5 స్టేటస్ కోడ్ బట్టి వీ కెన్ డిసైడ్ ఎట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషనా సక్సెసా హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్ డేటా దట్స్ వై గెట్టింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ సక్సెస్ కోడ్ 200. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ the record, go to test.py. Fifth record, fifth ID is there, not there. Now you have to run. You are getting error. Something. What is the code? Because server side problem. Server la record ledu. You are accessing 500. So next post method. Post method means you have to override create method inside. Ante I'm not inserting directly Django. By always we concentrate on test.py. From here I am inserting data. It is inserted to backend database. Adi concept. మరి ఇక్కడ నుంచి 1 hour data I'm passing. This data is which data? JSON data. JSON data database అవ్వాలి అంటే అవదు డైరెక్ట్గా కన్వర్ట్ టు పైథాన్ డిక్షనరీ టు కాంప్లెక్స్ టైప్ డీసీరియలైజేషన్ అప్పుడు ఇన్సర్ట్ టు ద డేటాబేస్ అదే డీసీరియలైజేషన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ దట్ ఓవర్ రైడ్ క్రియేట్ మెథడ్ ఇన్సైడ్ సీరియలైజర్ క్లాస్ సో serializers.py already some code is there. In that add create method. Go to serializers. ఇదిగోండి serializers. Already SDF created number names already. ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్లో add method. What is the method? Predefined method. Create. Method means first argument self, comma, validated data. What is this validated data? SDM telling variable at the time of deserialization. ఇదిగోండి what is the name? Validated data. That data I am passing now. Now return employee dot objects dot what is the method? Create star validated data. Because it is a dictionary, from the dictionary every key value I am reading, create one record into which table? employee table. This method you have to override. That is the override that method. Now implement code in test.py. So partner application is responsible to send the data. So test.py lo take one dictionary, send. Done. Now first check the records. 1, 2, 3, 101, 102, 103, Sunny Bunny Winnie is there. Go to test.py. ఇక్కడ I have to provide another method, dev create underscore resource is the my method. Whatever values you want, take one dictionary, new underscore emp with the dictionary. How many keys are there? Employee number colon 104, employee name colon Radhika, employee salary some 18,000, employee address Bangalore. ఇదిగోండి ఇది డిక్షనరీ. దిస్ డిక్షనరీ I want to send ఇదిగోండి సేమ్ కమాండ్ resp dot, but which command you can use? Post, because I want to insert the record కాబట్టి post method. Base URL endpoint everything same. ఇక్కడ emp బదులు what is the data? Your dictionary, new emp. ఇదిగోండి this dictionary I converted to JSON and send to post method. Status code success అయితే 200, fail అయితే code will come. Call the method, create resource method. This is Python code. This data I want to insert to there. Then view is the responsible. Post method రాయండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ JSON data whatever data I am passing, convert to dictionary, convert to complex type, insert. Deserialization process. So now my partner application ante test.py one dictionary converted to JSON. ఇప్పుడు వ్యూ ఈ డేటా ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది వ్యూకి JSON data will goes to view. First convert this data to Python dictionary. After that convert to employee object. Next to insert to table. ఇది ప్రాసెస్. How to convert to JSON to Python dictionary? Just now we discussed IO streams convert there. ఇదిగోండి yesterday deserialization. JSON data send to bytes IO. After that converted Python dictionary. This you can send it to employee serializer. If it is valid, save. Data will be saved. Go to the views. ఇది గెట్ మెథడ్. దేని కింద జరపండి ఎక్కడైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు మెథడ్ క్లాస్లో నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ డెఫ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెథడ్? పోస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ సెల్ఫ్, సెకండ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ రిక్వెస్ట్, సింగిల్ కోడ్ ఆర్గ్స్, స్టార్ కేడబ్ల్యూ ఆర్గ్స్. నౌ ఇదిగోండి సేమ్ అంటే ఇదిగోండి ద డేటా ఈజ్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రిక్వెస్ట్ డట్ బాడీ కన్వర్టెడ్ డిక్షనరీ. సేమ్ స్టెప్స్. Because test.py coming JSON data, data given to bytes IO, stream Python data. This Python data I want to convert to which one? Serializer. Elaga idigondi this one. This Python data converted to complex type. Check the condition. If serializer dot is underscore valid, just save. Serializer dot save. Automatically data will be stored. Take one dictionary message equal to a word resource created successfully. Send this response. In that I am sending HTTP response now same like that. Convert this one to JSON data. How to convert? JSON renderer of render is the function. Inside you can pass MSG because it is a one dictionary. This dictionary converted to JSON data. Send this JSON data to user. Return HTTP response. Inside I have to pass JSON data. Content type equal to application by JSON. Suppose you did some mistake, serializer is not valid, then what is the problem? You can ask JSON renderer dot render of serializer dot error. Whatever errors are there, it will be displayed. This one convert to JSON data. Send this error message to end user. This time I want to pass insert always got status code 400 because you did something mistake. Now done application. See the server. Server is started. Here JSON data. Server is started. Now come to here test.py. Comment the get resource method. I want to call which one? Create resource method. So comment these things. Now only create resource. This method executed, passing this record, converted to JSON, send to there. If everything goes fine, record inserted. Otherwise, we are getting error. The error is no. Read the last line. Forbidden CSR program. The reason is whenever you can insert the data to there, you have to disable the CSRF token. Okay, well, settings if you are disabling, another will be affected. No, only for that class you can disable CSRF token. not all entire. I want to disable in the settings. Go to here, ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి if I want to disable CSRF token, but it is affected to remaining all classes key. Tomorrow, if I am submitting any Django form, it is mandatory. So don't comment it. Only particular class you can uncomment. Which class? Employee CRUD CBV key. Here, one import is required from Django dot views dot, there is one decorator is there, decorators dot CSRF, import CSRF exempt, then one more from Django dot utils dot decorators, import method underscore decorator. This method underscore decorator you can give particular class inside CSRF exempt, comma, name equal to dispatch. Because of dispatch means in this class all the methods it is applicable. Kanak all methods got the only post, give the post. That is our wish. I can provided dispatch. Now check this server started. Now run this. This time, if everything goes fine, pakka it will be inserted. అవ్వలేదు. Problem is there. Check there again. ఇదిగోండి ఏమన్నాడు? The reason is ఎక్కడో import is missing. ఇక్కడ where is the employee? From test app dot models import. చిన్న చిన్న mistakes common. See that, resolve it. Employee. Now check the server. Started. మళ్ళీ రన్ దిస్. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ ఇదిగోండి ఏమొస్తుంది? Now resource created 200. Python program I am running. Go to there, check it. Previously 3 records are there. Now 4th record is there. It is speciality of API. If API is not there, not possible to insert the data. So REST API small topic, కానీ అర్థం చాలా టైం పడుద్ది. Topic is just 4-5 days, 1 week classes only. That if you are getting it, it will take so much time. There are so many people, it is just like a Tamil movie. Yes, sir? I know. Sir, present ఇప్పుడు ఇంత స్టోరీ చెప్తున్నా కదా, in this much of lines. Tomorrow, same class, same story, just 2 lines I will write the program. అది ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను చెప్పాను అనుకో, ఇవన్నీ ఎవరు ఎంటర్ ఇంకా అది అందుకని. So first you can practice this much of code, you will get programming. Just 2 lines I will write. Total that just like CBV. ఇప్పుడు అనుకో, I know flow. I am reading data, converted, Python dictionary, converting, stored, function based. Just I'm writing 2 lines. ఇంటర్నల్ ఎలా జరుగుతుందో తెలీదు, కానీ డేటా విల్ బి ఇన్సర్టెడ్. దానికి వ్యూ సెట్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ దేర్. అది చెప్తే అప్పుడు ఎంత పెద్ద కోడ్ అవసరంలా, సింపుల్ కోడ్ I will tell. సో టు క్రియేట్ రిసోర్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిజేబుల్. అలానే ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకుండా వదిలేస్తారేంటి? ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్. We want to programming knowledge, this type of programs you can practice. ఇది ఇందులో చూడడానికి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ కోడ్ ఈస్ దేర్, బట్ సేమ్ కోడ్ ఎవ్రీ మెథడ్. ఇదిగోండి రీడింగ్ డేటా, జేసన్, కన్వర్టెడ్, డిక్షనరీ, డీసీరియలైజేషన్. వ్యాలిడ్ అయితే సేవ్. ఈ ఫామ్ ఈజ్ వ్యాలిడ్, హౌ వీఆర్ సేవింగ్, సేమ్ స్టోరీ. అది సంగతి. How serialize.py is working means I am calling that class now employees.serializer. For this class, I am creating object and sending. Then automatically the class is working. So get to post next to put and delete. Decorator content, this is CSRF exempt method decorator. Give this decorator to the class. Then particular class it is applicable. Now, this is the create function. Def create self validated data employee.objects.all. That is the code of serializers. Done, I know. So delete chinna method, delete I will tell. Put to tomorrow I will tell. Next I will tell direct view set class. ఇంత పెద్ద స్టోరీ లేకుండా సింపుల్గా తెగొట్టేస్తాను. Delete operation very simple. Read the data, emp.delete, deleted. Delete key. Views.py. You are sending one record from the partner application. And which record do you want to delete? 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 ID you are sending. Go to the views. Indulo implement the def delete. Inside the first argument is same self, comma, request, comma, args, star, kw args. First two, the data is coming from the partner application. Story same. Away lines every time repeated. Request.body, JSON data came from test.py, converted to stream, Python dictionary. Which ID you are getting? Take the ID. p.data.get is the command. Get of ID. Whatever ID you are reading, store that ID. Read that record. Employee dot objects dot get of ID equal to ID. Now stored into one employee. Delete that employee. Emp dot, what is the method? Delete. Data deleted. So whatever ID you are passing, I am getting ID, I deleted. Now, idugondi. Message JSON send. Create one dictionary message. Ikkada resource deleted. This message I am convert to JSON, send to the partner application. Save this. This delete method code.